most natural science 2 class. So today I'm going to give you tips on how to use a hairdryer. The material we need are a hairdryer, a towel, and protection spray. So let's start this! Tip 1. Dry your hair with a towel. After bathing, it will be nice to dry your hair with a towel, so that your hair is not wet when using a hairdryer. Tip 2. Using protection spray. I think this is optional, but if you want to keep your hair healthy, then I recommend you using a hair protection spray like this one. Tip 3. Temperature. Tip 3 is probably the most important thing, and it's all about temperature. My hairdryer has 2 temperature settings, a medium heat and high. And I usually use the high one. Tip 4. Direct the air. Tip 4 is about how you direct the air from the hairdryer into your hair. Do a moving motion so that your hair can dry evenly and quickly. So those were some tips for you guys. Hopefully it's useful, and thanks for watching.